Okay, I'm going to jump on and update our Google Meet video. Of course, you can still go in and do it the way that it originally told us through the calendar. That still works, but if you're wanting to use the new way, I thought I'd jump in and just show you how to do that. So, to do the new Google Meet, you just simply have to go and create your own name, but it has to start with the g.co/meet/ and then you put whatever you want after that. So I'm just going to name this Carline and then push enter, and it creates my room here. So now all I have to do is copy this and put it into my Google Classroom. So I'm going to go into my practice classroom because that's the easiest place to just put random stuff so my kids don't actually get it. And I'm going to create either a material or an assignment is fine because you're going to backdate it. I find that it wouldn't let you do either one when you weren't backdating it. So this is our Google Meet. Put whatever time you want them to come on. And then put your link here. So there it is. Now, if you are scheduling it for a certain time, you cannot do multiple classes, so don't attempt to do that. But you can schedule it if you're just doing one class at a time. So let's say that this is going to be for Monday at 10 o'clock. I might not want the kids to be able to get in until 9:50, but I'm going to go and get in at 9:45. But this would have them not even getting this link until 9:50 because that's when I scheduled it for. So that could keep some of that, kids getting in before you possibility out of there because they're not even going to get this link until 9:50. And I actually accidentally put PM, so make sure that you check that. So I would get in there at 9:45 knowing that they're going to be released at 9:50, the link. So that's one way to kind of keep that from happening. So that's just a simpler way to get in and do your Google Meet link so that you don't have to go through the calendar. So, and make sure you're the last person to leave the room so they can't stay in there and chat.